Hey, I have a new dash cam from Azdome. It is the GS65H. It is a 1080p camera, and from what I've been reading, it does look like a good product, and I'm looking forward to trying it out in my car. It has dual lenses, front and back. This is a feature that I have not had in a dash cam before. This camera has a Novatech 96655 processor for superior image quality and stable operation. The image quality is 1080p, and that allows you to capture details such as license plates. It does have 150-degree view range on the front lens and then 130-degree viewing angle on the rear lens. It does have GPS tracking, and the front lens has 6 layers of glass to improve the image quality. And it has a G sensor which locks the footage if there is a sudden impact. So what comes in the box? The camera and a silicone mount and a car charger. Plugs into the little cigarette lighter in there. USB one. It has the 2 USB cables and the user manual, cable clips, and a trim removal device. There to help with installation and concealing the wires. Let's take a look at how this camera looks here. There's the screen there, so it has the back camera here and the power button, and oh, that's the little SD card reader to plug the USB in here, and a TV out port. So you do need a micro SD card for this, and it supports up to 64 gigabyte card. I've got the SD card, and I'm going to get this set up and put it in my vehicle.